Hi everyone, this is Matthew again. Today is 16th of March 2021. Today we'll be trading the Volatility 25 index on the deriv.app interface, the touch, no touch. And briefly before we proceed, for those who haven't purchased the PIPSREAPER boats and the TOUCHSCALPER boats, just to let you guys know that we've updated these boats on the 1st of March 2021, and we've sent the update to all those who have previously purchased the boats. This is the PIPSREAPER boats. The boat is just 7.99 USD, and here are some of the results of the boats. You can see right here, it's March results right here. We've updated the boats and we've sent it to those who have previously purchased the boats. Just 7.99 USD. You can make payment using Bitcoin, web money, perfect money, debit card, bank transfer, and all that. So just visit www.binarypipsreaperboat.ctydechnologies.com.ng to order the boats, and the TOUCHSCALPER boats as well. The 5.2 is out, and we've sent it to all those who have previously purchased the boat as well on the 1st of March 2021. And you can see right here, here are some of the results of the TOUCHSCALPER boat version 5.2 March. You can see right there. And to purchase the boat, visit www.touchscalper.ctydechnologies.com.ng to purchase the boat. Just 9.99 USD. You can also make payment using Bitcoin, web money, perfect money, debit card, and other payment options on the other page. And don't forget to subscribe to our channels for more upcoming strategies. Just hit the subscribe button and share the channel URL on social media. So here again are the links to purchase the boats. This is the PIPSREAPER boats. This is a link to order the boats, and here are the features, and this is the TOUCHSCALPER boat. This is a link www.touchscalper.ctydechnologies. We are going to paste all this in the video description on YouTube, so just check the video description on YouTube. For those who don't have a trading account, use this link to sign up for a free trading account, and here are the links to subscribe to our channels. This will take you straight to where you click on subscribe button. This is the second channel. Just subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies. So let's get back to the trading. As you can see, I've logged into the day trader. Let me close this. So here we are trading the Volatility 25 index. I've opened the trade. Just once you click on Volatility 25, here you click on, you choose synthetic indices, you click on Volatility 25 index. Then you click on the trade type, that's the touch, no touch, right here. The durations, you set it to 2 minutes. Set it to 2 minutes. The barrier offset is plus 0.198. So when this thing is going down, you can see it's down there. So I quickly click on touch. So once it's dropping down, we're going to be clicking on touch. Make sure you have set everything correctly and set your payout. So this is the time count right here. Once it's dropping down, we click on, I place one trade. So let's wait for the outcome of the trade. You can see we are close there. We already won that trade right there. We won that first trade. So let me continue with the explanation. So you set the barrier to plus 0.198, then you enter your payout. So let me close this first trade. You can see it's down there again. I've clicked on touch, second trade. So in the next trade, I'm going to be increasing my payout to 36. So let's wait for the outcome. You can see we've won that trade again. We've won that second trade. So let's go for another trade. You can see it's down again. Once it drops down, you quickly click on purchase. You can see we won that trade again. We made 5.62. So I'm going to reduce the stake again back to 17. So you have to wait for this movement to drop down. The movement has to be fast. You have to wait for it to drop down before you click on touch. It's down again. You can see I click on touch there. So let me close this and wait for the outcome of this trade. Okay, close again. You can see we've won that trade. So you can go on and on and on. Just make sure you watch the movement carefully. When you are using this strategy. So don't forget, for those who have haven't purchased the PIPSREAPER bots, just visit www.binarypipsreaper.technologies.com.ng to purchase the bots, and you can see some of the results of the PIPSREAPER bots right there. And the TOUCHSCALPER bot as well, just 9.99 USD. Visit www.touchscalper.technologies.com.ng to order the bot, and don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies. Thanks for watching. Bye.